In the name of God, Fundamental of Thermodynamics, Chapter 4, Work and Heat, from Borgnakke&Sontag 7th edition. Introduction. In this chapter, we consider work and heat. It is essential for the student of thermodynamics to understand clearly the definition of both work and heat, because the correct analysis of many thermodynamics problems depends on distinguishing between them. Work and heat are energy in transfer from one system to another. And does play a crucial role in the mass thermodynamics. To analyze such system, we need to model heat and work as function of properties. Model work and heat, a function of properties, and also parameter characteristics of the system or the way it functions. In a system or the way it functions. An understanding of the physics involved allows us to construct a model for heat and work and use the result in our analysis of energy transfer and change, which we will do with the first law of thermodynamics in Chapter 5. To facilitate understanding of basic concepts, we present a number of physical arrangements that will enable us to express the work done for change in the system during a process. We also examine work that is the result of given process without describing in detail how the process physically can be made to occur. This is done because such a description is too complex and involves concepts that have not been covered so far, but at the least we can examine the result of the process. So in this chapter, to facilitate understanding a basic concept, concept we use first. Present a number of physical arrangements that will enable us to express the work done from change in the system during a process, and also examine work that is the result of given process without describing in detail how it happens. Heat transfer in different situations is a subject that usually is studied separately. However, a very simple introduction is beneficial so that the concept of heat transfer does not become too abstract, and so that it can be related to the process we examine. Heat transfer by conduction, convection, and radiation is presented in terms of very simple models, emphasizing that it is driven by a temperature difference. The first section is definition of work. It was an introduction. In the next